Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is James Alexander Stuart. Today I'm going to show you how to write a simple application. The language that I'm going to be using is Java, because not only is it the most portable programming language on the market, it is also free. And so with that, let's get started. As with any good program, your program has to start with preparation. For this matter, drafting code is going to be extremely important, and we are going to do this in a process we call writing prep code. Prep code, basically enough, is mock coding, whereby you are writing out the code itself for the average human to understand, or for a non-programmer to understand. And in this case, for our Hello World application, we are going to make it do a few things. It's going to write Hello World, it's going to write my name, James Stuart, and we are going to add some procedures to add 2 plus 5 so that it'll make 7. So let's get started. On the first line here, I have it write Hello World. And then for my second line, I have it say I am James Stuart. So I'm going to write I am James Stuart. And then for the third line, I have it say add 2 plus 5 to make 7. And then I just hit N to mark the end of the program. Now, for your next course of action, you're going to have to find yourself a development kit for Java. Now, in this case, I have Eclipse. Now, what I'm going to do here is start up a new Java project and name my Hello World application. In this case, I'm going to call my application Hello Everyone. The thing about Java is that every program is made up of separate classes that will often interact with each other. So in this case, I'm going to make a new class, and then I'm going to give a title to this class. Now this class is going to be the executable for our program. And so now you're ready to roll. Now the class name is specified there by writing in public class and using a squiggly bracket to demark it. Now, keeping in respect with our prep code, I am going to start off a main method. Now this main method is vital to any class that you need to run. Now in this case it'll just be called main with a string of arguments. Now, keeping in respect to our prep code, I want this thing to first say Hello World. And so, to mark off a printing command, I'm going to use system.out.println so that it will print a line. And then you are going to use some parentheses and then write in quotation marks whatever string that you want. In this case, it'll say, Hello, I am James Stuart. And then, when you are finished with one instruction, you're going to put a semicolon and then hit return. And then we can start on another instruction. Now I wanted to do the math. So, instead of using quotation marks, we're just going to type in a set of variables, 2 plus 5, in respect to our prep code. And then we are going to mark that off with a semicolon and leave it alone. Alright, so with that intact, and with our 2 squiggly brackets being closed, our method and class are closed. So now let's run it. There. Everything went according to plan. It says, Hello, I'm James Stuart, and on the second line it prints 7. So it looks like we're completed here. And so that concludes our simple tutorial about a Hello World application in Java. Remember, you gotta first plan out your code, and then write out your code, and then test your code, and then go back to make revisions if you need to. So, this is James Stuart signing off.